Good morning, everyone. It's day 6 of Hanna life.
So.
Something like that. We are in Wanaka. We took a very, very slow morning. We actually woke up around 7.
No,
Shanna woke up, and then we went back to sleep. I was very...
For like 2 hours.
For like 2 hours. And we took our time to make breakfasts, and we have this amazing view. We have morning sun right here, which is actually already burning my legs a little bit.
Yeah, I can feel it too.
Now we're gonna probably just take it slow, hit the city, go for a walk around Wanaka. So it's now like around 2 weeks since we are out of Sweden, and yeah, we're gonna take it slow. They should not be this up.
And Shannon wanted to go back. But this is beautiful.
So here's a voluntary activity. Ellen is gonna grab a bucket of water, and she's gonna take a moment to water the plants.
Watering the plant.
Yes.
God, it's a hot day for them, isn't
It's
it?
a really hot day.
Yeah.
And here's Lake Wanaka, all the way until the city. It's fantastic. Beautiful. We made it.
It's called the mead.
The neat.
And it was supposed to have a flavor of liveliness.
Of what?
Liveliness.
School. I look good this morning. What the hell? Why? Oh my god.
I ordered medium rare for you.
Medium rare? It's perfect, my love. I love it. Look at that. Meat.
I'm sorry, baby.
So we just filled in the tank. We had like half tank, and now Ellen put it back to like 100%.
Yeah.
Easy peasy.
And we're gonna empty out our boxes.
It's over here, and we're waiting for our turn, and then we can empty this cow out. We're gonna go for a second swim. It's good? Ooh, it's like 10 meters until it stops hurting with the amount of... Ooh. I just came back from the shower and this is what's waiting for me. My God. I had already signed off, but I don't think I've ever shown how the bed looks. Right?
We did it yesterday.
We did? No, but I haven't shown how we have the electricity going in, and I'm actually gonna show from the other side. Here's the wheel. We always have some kind of identifier when we are camping. And in here we keep our day bags and, you know, some useful stuff, some what is this? Sunscreen and sunglasses and hats, and then obviously my suitcase doesn't
Hang to dry.
yeah, Ellen's swimwear hanging on, and then we have the electricity station, which I still need to connect a bunch of stuff, and now the cozy part. I actually love that we put these last night. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. And then here these all fold back into the van once we go. It's pretty simple, it takes like 2 minutes. And then in here we just keep the clothes we're gonna take for tomorrow, all my everyday carry, car keys important. Then the Polaroid is here for no reason today, and this is where the GoPro is gonna live as well. Today we brought water because last night someone was thirsty and didn't have water. It was me. I didn't prepare. And here is Ellen's, what the hell is this called in English?
Earplugs.
Earplugs, because I always call it tampons, because that's what we call it in Portuguese.
That's
Yeah,
something
so- yeah, that is something else. And yeah, have some trash, so I'm gonna clean that up, and I think we're gonna fall back into the nests. And now I can sign off.